Have you ever noticed how some people seem to be fiery and passionate, while others are grounded and practical? Some of us are intellectual and curious, while others are deeply emotional and intuitive. These differences can often be traced back to the four classical elements in astrology: fire, earth, air, and water. These elements aren't just poetic metaphors. They are foundational principles in astrology, shaping who we are and how we interact with the world around us. Each element has its unique qualities and strengths, influencing our personalities, behaviors, and even the way we relate to others. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, are known for their energy, enthusiasm, and leadership. They bring light and warmth into any situation, but can also burn out quickly if not balanced. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, are the stabilizers, providing practicality and reliability. They are like the mountains, steady and strong, offering a foundation for growth, but sometimes resistant to change. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, are the thinkers and communicators. They thrive on ideas, connections, and the exchange of knowledge. Like the wind, they can bring fresh perspectives, but may sometimes seem detached. And then we have the water signs Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, deeply intuitive and emotional. They flow with the tides of life, sensitive to the undercurrents around them, providing empathy and understanding, but sometimes being overwhelmed by their depth. Understanding these elements helps us appreciate not only our strengths, but also the challenges we face. It shows us how to balance our natural tendencies with the energies of others around us. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how these elements manifest in our daily lives, shaping our personalities and our relationships. Stay tuned, and let's continue this journey through the stars together.